This video is going to explain a little bit about the first module in Facebook Daemon, the friend unfriend module. You can see over here, if you've ever used TweetDaemon before, it's set up kind of like that. It's made by the same people. All right, so you can see right here. I'll just pull this over. You can load all your accounts, and it'll load them up. I just pulled this over so you can't see the accounts. But we'll delete all these. We'll just use one of them for this video. Okay. So once you got your accounts, what you can do is if you have proxies, you can set the number of threads that you want to use. You can set it to repeat all tasks after X amount of hours. You can have it reshuffle the tasks before it starts over. For the friend settings, you have the options not to add people that you've added before. You have the option to ignore the people that don't have a profile photo. If you're following from a text file, like a notepad file, then you have the option to shuffle the list. You can choose to use the maximum limit, and what that does is it'll just keep on adding people until it can't add anyone else. Or you can choose how many how many people you want to add, and you have your delays for how long it should wait between adding the next person. You also have a cancel friends request option. You can protect mutual friends. You can not cancel the friend request that you specify in your VIP list. You can cancel the friend requests of people that you've added at least X amount of days ago. Again, you can either use the maximum limit. You can limit by percentage of the total friends count, or you can just specify an exact number that it should choose from. And again, you have the delays down here. So we're starting out with just a brand new account. You can see right here. There, hold on. You can see right here. It's just a brand new account. Doesn't really have anything. All right. So for this, let's say you want to select this account, and then you want it to add friends from a username. What you would do, you would go over to set task, and you can choose add friends from username, add friends from a group, add friends from a list of like status, add friends from a text file, add friends from the find friends browser, the suggestions, and you also have the cancel friend request. So what we'll do is the add friends from a username. So we'll choose that. And for the parameter, what you want is the just the username itself. You don't want the entire link. So let's say we wanted to add the friends of this person right here. What we would do, just open that up in a new tab and just grab this part, this username, and we'll close that. And you can see we'll import that into here, and we'll click on start. Check the settings real quick, and you can see well, it's going to take a minute, but yeah, it'll go and it'll start adding the friends of that username. We'll just stop that. Now for let's say our task is going to be add friends from a group. The parameter for that is going to be, let's see, how do we get to a group? We'll just type in group. This is not it. Let's see, there's got to be a group. Let's put Justin Bieber group. Here, maybe if we go in here. There we go, groups. You specify down here, go into the groups, and you can, as you can see, then you have your groups. So you just grab the URL of this group, go back in here, and you would paste that group URL. So if you want to add the friends from a list of a liked status, then what you would do for that is, hold on, we'll go back to over here. All right, you can see this status. It's got 45,129 people that like it. So what you want to do is when you mouse over the time that it was posted, it'll give you a link. So you just copy that, paste that in there, and it will go and it will add all of the people who liked that status. All right. So add friends from a text file. If you choose that, then you would just put the file path of where that text file is located on your computer. Now, inside of the text file, you just want to have one username per line. Uh, Again, you don't need to include the full URL of someone. You just need this part right here. So only use those for the usernames in your text file. You do not have to include all of this other stuff. All right. And for the add friends from find friends browser, what that'll do is you don't need any parameter for it. It'll go and it'll add friends from the friend suggestions. Where if you have a filled up account, we'll go to the home page on here. As you can see, we don't have any friends on here, so it's not suggesting any new friends for me. But if it did, then it would use that and it would go and send a friend request to all of those people. And last but not least, we have the cancel friends request task. And, that's pretty self-explanatory. It'll go and it'll cancel the friend requests using the settings that you have designated over in this options panel over here. So that concludes it for this the friend and unfriend module of Facebook Daemon. So I'll stop this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.